A novel name, right? Have you ever known about it? Then, at that point, the present moment is the second to notify yourself about it. It might appear to be a tale. Yet that is the means by which this unique computerized money's process started at first. According to the information, Dogecoin bears this peculiar yet particularly appealing name, which turned into a mascot of a Japanese variety of canine called Shiba Inu and consequently Doge. From that point forward, this quickly developing cryptographic money turned into a renowned name, Dogecoin. What is a Dogecoin? One of the most well-known uses of Dogecoin is tipping individual web participants who produce or offer incredible substance. It bears more worth fundamentally because of its easy-to-understand framework. No shrewd preparation, no unique skill required. It is effectively viable with your PC, cell phone, or site. Dogecoin is like purchasing any merchandise in stores through MasterCards. The main thing where Dogecoin stands separated is that Doge is utilized with a wallet to purchase labor and products or purchase Dogecoin with Bitcoin or government-issued types of money. Dogecoin was intended to be a well-disposed, more receptive type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image. A decision element of Dogecoin today is a tipping administration. Clients will tip different clients for posts or commitments they accept merit acknowledgement. It is a more compelling way than just like on any web-based entertainment stage that urges different clients to peruse the survey and be interested to purchase Dogecoin. Endless web-based entertainment publicity by retail financial backers accounts Dogecoin digital money to continuously eclipse recently sent-off canine coins like Shiba Inu. Dogecoin, the fixing weave. The central thing that isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital currency market is expansion as opposed to deflationary cryptographic money. Bitcoin and numerous other digital forms of money are planned to the point that they have a hard stockpile cap of monetary standards. The likely issue with this is that once the cap is reached, it might presently not be productive for excavators to keep on supporting the framework. This prompts an ascent in gigantic high charges to energize diggers or exceptionally deferred or late exchange processes, as there would be no issue with handling network exchanges. Doge gauge. The cost will be around 16 cents in 1 year, while in the following 5 years, the cost will reach 86 cents. Dogecoin will be a productive interest over the long haul. As indicated by the Dogecoin cost forecast, the coin will reach 37 cents by 2025 and $2.42 by 2030. The base cost of the coin will be around 8 cents toward the finish of 2023, and the most extreme cost may be 12 cents. Dogecoin specialized examination. At the point when markets have neither rhyme nor reason, when basics never again appear to issue, it turns out to be clear the principles are being modified or even tossed through the window. We could be in the imaginative obliteration stage that will give way to another rush of advancement. What's more, in that wave, new sorts of resources could have a good spot in portfolios. In the meantime, the untethered idea of current value rationale is upsetting, and an update that imaginative obliteration can be horrible to those trapped in the change. Vulnerability isn't great for trust, and an absence of trust isn't really great for progress. No big surprise. Not at all like all digital currencies, Dogecoin esteem also was defenseless to the high and lows of market esteem, cost changes. According to the specialized examination of Dogecoin, it also could come in the stuff of unpredictability, so you want to keep an eye out for your venture. You really want to peruse the digital money cost gauge and be ready, notwithstanding the historical backdrop of tempests and tornadoes in the cryptographic money market. There is a fair Dogecoin future. The momentary assessment for the quick help level is 5 cents. The pivotal help level is 3 cents, though the qualities for the prompt and significant obstruction levels are 12 cents and 16 cents. Separately, Dogecoin value history. According to last year's Dogecoin cost expectation, Doge is a beneficial speculation as long as possible. According to the past Dogecoin expectations, the coin was going to penetrate 30 cents last year. Notwithstanding, the cash had reflected monstrous force and crossed 75 cents. From that point forward, the cost of Doge has amended hugely and tumbled to the 15 cents mark in July. Afterward, it exchanged above 10 cents yet fell beneath in the crypto crash of May 2022. Throughout the course of recent hours, Doge USD has denoted a minor ascent. Its absolute market cap is exchanging around $8,511,361,950 and is currently the 10th greatest computerized cash on the planet. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin is at around 6 cents, and it is anticipated that the coin will in the middle between impermanent dives alongside its market capitalization. What's more, according to the current situation of Dogecoin, the cost for Doge could contact the 9 cents mark before the current year's over. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise speculation. Dogecoin value forecast 2022. Elon Musk has kept assisting with supporting the cost of Doge. Dogecoin's cost has seen a slight development throughout recent days. Elon Musk's constant help with tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for products and institutional reception has been valuable to the coin. In May 2021, Dogecoin's cost hit another unsurpassed high of 73 cents because of persistent superstar support and furthermore recorded on eToro, proceeding with huge development as far as cost in the impending months is anticipated. Elon Musk's tweet makes sense of that one can purchase Tesla product with Dogecoin. Additionally, as indicated by the Tesla official site, one can utilize Dogecoin to buy the Cyber Whistle, Giga Texas Belt Clasp, and Cyberquad for youngsters. As per the Dogecoin news, AMC has begun tolerating installments in image coins like Dogecoin from Walk 19, 2022, and Imprint Cuban, the proprietor of Dallas Dissident, acknowledges Dogecoins for tickets and product. The image coin built up some forward momentum via online entertainment after Elon Musk's supporting signals. Elon Musk's tweet expressing the acknowledgement of the token as a functioning installment mode for merchandise carried forward movement to Dogecoin's cost, impacting market Dogecoin cost expectations emphatically. Likewise, when asked what compels him pick Doge over different coins, he answered over Twitter that Doge has canines and images, though the others don't. Also, the Ukrainian government has now chosen to acknowledge Dogecoin gifts in the midst of the Russian attack. Dogecoin cost is supposed to recuperate its lost force and head towards its obstruction level of 12 cents. According to the Dogecoin cost expectation for 2022, the cost of Dogecoin could cross 7 cents before the year's over. The anticipated high for 2022 may be around 9 cents. And on the disadvantage, the low may be around 2 cents. The one-year cost is projected according to our expectation for 2022. Dogecoin Expectation 2023. According to the market feeling and specialists' perspectives, the cost of Dogecoin could enlist a continuous ascent. What's more, by mid-2023, the Doge would have the option to cross the 10 cents mark. The anticipated high for 2023 may be more than 20 cents. On the disadvantage, the low may be around 6 cents. Dogecoin Expectations 2024. According to the Doge cost expectation for 2024, the cost could cross 40 cents toward the finish of 2024. According to our conjecture, the anticipated greatest cost for 2024 may be around 45 cents. On the disadvantage, the low may be around 8 cents. What's to come results anticipated don't be guaranteed to mirror the long-haul acquiring potential. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025. According to our Dogecoin Cost Expectation 2025, the coin could possibly contact the 60 cents cost mark on the potential gain, while on the drawback, it could fall up to 20 cents. According to our Doge cost forecast, the money cost could exchange around 40 cents toward the finish of 2025. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2026. A custom calculation in view of profound advancing likewise gives strong experiences for your venture that assist us with choosing if Doge could be a decent portfolio expansion for what's in store. These forecasts consider a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable monetary standards. The future costing